Hey Jackson, thanks for reaching out for help on the Identify the URL assignment. I'm making this video to help you out, try to explain it and show you what resources you have, as well as what tools you have to help you do the assignment. Now, I am here inside the Day 22 slides, and I'm on slide 19, and this is where you've been informed that we have the Identify the URL assignment. So first thing you'll want to do is you want to click on this link, and it's going to open up this. Now this is a Google drawing and it's showing you a URL. Now you don't know what to do yet for that until you go back to the slides and you go to slide number 20. Now slide 20 tells you that you're going to use the line tool in Google Drawing to highlight the different sections of the URL. I'll show you how to do that, and I'll show you another way you can do that as well. And then step number 2 says use the following colors to highlight the different sections. So we've got these 5 different colors here and 5 different sections. And when you're finished, step number 3 says you're going to submit your finished copy on Canvas in the Identify the URL assignment. Now I'm going to jump back up here to number 2 first. So we've got these 5 sections: scheme, domain name, file path, parameter, and anchor. And you might have zero clue what those are or how to recognize them or anything about them. If that's the case, I would first suggest that you come up here to slide number 7, and this video is going to talk about those different sections and explain what they do and how to recognize them. Now, if you want more help after that, if that's confusing, you can come down here. Slides 8 through, I believe it's 17, explain what those different sections mean, how to find them, and what they do. Okay, so hopefully between these two, let's do that later. Hopefully between slide 7 and slides 8 through 17, that'll help explain what those different sections are so that you can then break apart that URL. Now, I'm going to go into this is yours, by the way, this is your Google Drawing that you have opened. I'm going to go into mine. I have a different one that I've opened just as an example, and I'm going to do this. There we go. Okay. So, if you want to highlight the different sections, now, one way you can do that, because we have to use different colors. So one of the colors I think is a light blue. Yeah. So if I think that maybe I think that this is the scheme, I'm going to go up here, and you can either highlight it with this line tool up here and put like an underline underneath it, or you can go here to what's called the text color option. You can click on that, and then you can just change that to a different color blue. And then if you think this is the domain name, for example, highlight it, and then you can come here to the text color and change it to, I think it's an orange color. So that's probably a little bit easier than using the line tools, just changing the different colors. So I hope that helps. Let me know, respond back to this email if you're still super lost and not sure what to do. I'll see if we can figure things out a little bit further.